Ah, there you are, my friends. Look what I found today in my garden, this monster zucchini. So, look at this size. I will do some exercise with it. This is really, really heavy. And then we will do something nice with it. Have a look. Fettuccine con crema di zucchine. And no cream inside, only zucchini and guanciale. And you got it right, it's fettuccine con crema di zucchine. And with a little bit of guanciale. Have a look and let's see what we need for this. So of course you will need this beautiful zucchini, and I think we can feed a whole family for 1 week with it. My friends, come closer, come closer. Yeah, have a look at this monster zucchini. You see? Come from here, come from here. Wow! Wow, we will cook this tonight. Have a look. Incredible. Have a look at this. Wow. We will cook this tonight. We will cut part of it in small pieces and fry it together with a little piece of garlic in our quality olive oil. And then we will use this device here and make a nice cream out of it. And at the same time we will also start frying guanciale. Guanciale is the pork meat from the cheek. Look where I got this from. Guanciale. Yeah, so you see, you can also buy this pre-packed. It's really, really delicious and really makes a difference. You may also want to use pancetta, but guanciale is really the king of pork meat. And yeah, we will then at the end, once this is crispy fried, mix all together with our fresh fettuccine pasta. And we will also add a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano and also a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. And perhaps at the beginning we may also want to add a little shot of white wine, and of course we can always add also some basil leaves. Okay, my friends, so the time has come. I will have to cut this beautiful zucchini. Yeah, I think this is enough. Look at this. We will now cut a few cubes of this, perhaps in this size. This. And they will have the right size for frying and cooking. But attention, do not overcook this, then the good taste will go away. Only a few minutes. You will see later during this video. Again, you cut horizontal and then vertical or vice versa. My friends, first milestone has been reached. My beautiful organic biological zucchini has been cut in small pieces. Next step is we will cut this garlic piece in small pieces, because we will now start frying this garlic with olive oil, extra virgin of course, our best friend, and the zucchini in this pot here. I'll show you in a second. Here we go. Small pot is enough. It's only for creating the cream. I will already turn on the plate. Medium flame is fine. About this amount of olive oil, and we can already add the zucchini on top. This will all fry together. Later on we will also add a few drops of water. I would say about 100 milliliter, but we will see. And let this then cook for a few minutes. At the same time I also turn on this plate, because we also want to crispy fry our guanciale that we also got today from the supermarket. It's really nice to find guanciale also pre-packed. In case you are curious what the brand is, have a quick look. But I'm not doing any advertisement here. This is just for you to help how to find pre-packed guanciale in a good supermarket. I'm saying a good, not every supermarket has this available, but good supermarket. And of course here in Italy it's very easy to find. Okay, my friends, so you see the guanciale has been frying for a few minutes. We will let this fry for some more minutes. We really want this nice and crispy. And you see it's a little bit greasy, but don't worry, all the fat will be burnt away, and the liquid fat we will remove later after the frying. So we only have the nice crispy pieces of guanciale. In addition, this has also started frying slowly. You see the olive oil at the bottom, together with the listen. Together with the garlic pieces and these pieces of my beautiful organic zucchini. Did I mention to you that we will also add a little bit of mince leaves? No? Okay, so we will add a few of these mince leaves, of course homegrown, as many of my things, together with the basil later on. Okay, my friends, so you see guanciale has been frying, and we keep it frying. The zucchini is also frying. We will add a little bit of salt, about this amount. We will also add a little bit of black pepper, about this amount. You can add more later if you want to. And now's the time when we add also a little bit of boiling water, like this. And let this now cook for another few minutes. Okay, my friends, so you see guanciale keeps frying. I will now show you a little trick of mine. You may want to do this, you don't have to. You see all this fat that came out of the guanciale. I will remove it. I don't want to eat this. The guanciale remains crispy, but I will just remove the oil, the grease, and let it keep frying until it gets nice and crispy. Okay, have a look first at this. This is the fat that came out of the guanciale that we will not consume, but it's good to know how much is inside. The good stuff of the guanciale we will eat. I finish now cooking this zucchini, and now comes the time when we use this thing. Where's the button? Here's the button. Yeah, it's working. And attention, attention, we don't want to create a mess, we want to create the cream now. Okay, so you see the zucchini has been blended. Now is also the time when we can add a little shot of white wine, not too much. And we will cook this for another few minutes, and then the sauce is ready. And you see also the guanciale has been fried very crispy, crunchy. And so guanciale has finished frying. The zucchini is also almost finished, but before we throw in the pasta, 2 minutes of cooking time, I have to do a quality check. So I take this bread, put it inside here, drown it, wait a few seconds because it's very, very hot, but it smells good. Yeah. Really, really good. Okay, my friends, so you see fettuccine cooked. We will mix them now together with the guanciale and this crema di zucchini, but again without any cream. Whoa, look at this. Mix this up, and at the end we will also add some Parmigiano Reggiano. Yes. Here we go, about 50 grams will do the job. Perhaps a little bit more, but we start with 50 grams, and let's see how this will make up. Fettuccine con crema di zucchine, and no cream inside, only zucchini and guanciale. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, down there in the description field you will find all the ingredients, and also feel free to like, to share, to comment. I will answer any of your questions, and also feel free to subscribe to this channel. There will come many, many more videos. And now, let's do the test. Buon appetito! Oh yeah, very, very creamy. Mm.